guys, welcome back to our channel. So as you may see, Erica's not in this, is not going to be with me in this video because I'm going to be filming a get ready with me Halloween style. So today I'm gonna go to like a mini party, like a mini Halloween party. So I'm gonna do my makeup. Yeah, just keep watching and then so you guys can find out what I'm gonna be doing. So for this video, I'm going to be filming. I'm gonna be doing a Scarecrow makeup. I hope I can master it because I'm not like the best at doing makeup. I'm not like a makeup guru, so I don't really wear like makeup on the daily. I don't really do makeup on the daily. So hopefully it turns out great. I'm just gonna do like a mini simple last minute kind of like Halloween style. Just because I'm already kind of like a bit running a little bit late, so I'm just gonna do this like little quick simple cute Scarecrow look. Okay guys, so I already prepped my face. I already put my moisturizer that I used, and I've used the primer, the e.l.f. primer right here. It is the Poreless Putty primer. Putty? A primer? I don't know how to spell, but yeah, I did that. And I'm just gonna go in with my foundation. I'm actually gonna use the NARS foundation in the shade Medium Santa Fe Sheer Glow. I don't know if I should say like the whole thing, but before I start this video, just letting you know, like a quick disclaimer, I'm not like a professional makeup guru. So if I do my makeup in a certain way, do not get offended or something like that, because this is just the way that I do my makeup. It's not necessarily how you should do your makeup, you know? Just like a little hint out there.
You've been trying to get me to stay, cause I've been around for 3 days. But I gotta go before we let it get too close to Friday, cause I gotta hit the highway. I don't wanna make you cry, babe, but I ain't coming back now, fade into the background. I still wanna be there, I got to be leaving. Will, you should be fair. That's when she said, I just wanna know what's on your mind. Is it real or it's all a waste of time? I don't really wanna blow the high. I wanna know if I can make you stay this time. I just wanna know what's on your mind. Is it real or it's all a waste of time? I don't really wanna blow the high. I wanna know if I can make you stay this time. Me and Vicky Sticks, chillin' and we downtown. Made a couple beats at your bitch with the roundhouse. Yeah, when these people found out now that Willie be the shit, and he on now. Cause he's saying that I'm different, I'm not the same me that I was at Hell's Kitchen. It's been a little while and I've done a lot of living. I make mistakes but I live with my decisions. I still wanna be there, I got to be leaving. Will, you should be fair. That's when she said, I just wanna know what's on your mind. Is it real or it's all a waste of time? I don't really wanna blow the high. I wanna know if I can make you stay this time. I just wanna know what's on your mind. Is it real or it's all a waste of time? I don't really wanna blow the high. I wanna know if I can make you stay this time. What's on your mind? Is it real or it's all a waste of time? I don't really wanna blow the high. I wanna know if I can make you stay this time. I just wanna know what's on your mind. Is it real or it's all a waste of time? Been trying to get me to stay, cause I've been around for 3 days. But I gotta go before we let it get too close to Friday, cause I gotta hit the highway.
So now on my cheeks, I'm going to dot orange circles in it. I'm just gonna dot it. I already have a bunch of freaking highlight, thick highlight blush in it.
Trying to work your way back. You're searching for a fix, but it's self-love you lack. Your eyes are wide open, you see it all. You made me look, you made me fall. You had me, I had you, made me wait. Now I'm running out of patience. I'm running out of patience, out of patience. Yeah, you keep me waiting. I'm waiting, done waiting. I'm running out of patience. You kept me at a distance, you barely let me in. I kept on trying, and you kept me waiting. How many years, how many days, how many ways will it take you to open up to me? Show me what you really mean. No, leave me hanging in between. I gave you the world, but that wasn't enough for you. All I ever wanted was to share my love with you. Oh, you're not used to these ways. Is that the reason that you cannot stay? You had me, I had you, made me wait. Now I'm running out of patience. I'm running out of patience, out of patience. Yeah, you keep me waiting. I'm waiting, done waiting. I'm running out of patience. And all I ever wanted was to love you. At this point, my love has gone. You made me wait too long. You made me wait another second, made me wait another trip. Now my feelings for you have faded. I don't want it anymore. I don't want it anymore. I'm running out of patience, out of patience. Yeah, you keep me waiting. I'm waiting, done waiting. I'm running out of patience. You had me, I had you. 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 You had me, I had you.
It's the time, it's the season for you to come home to me, come back home to me. No pressure, there's no reason other than I want to see just what you do to me. Bring a smile, bring me out of myself. Bring me to the edge till I hold my breath and sing. It's the time, it's the season for you to run right through me. I love how you move me around, around, around. Move me around, around, around. feel about you. It's so easy for you to come home to me, come back home to me. People change, get so needy, but I know how to wait, so let them go crazy. Make me smile and I'll give you my best. I'll take my time and I'll push my fears away till the time, till the season when you come back to me. I love how you move me around, around, around. Move me around, around, around. Everyone can see how I feel about you. Everyone can hear when you're near. I can never stay cool when you come around. It's so clear I'm the color of you. Everyone can see how I feel about you. How I feel. Your smile takes me out of myself and over the edge till I almost lose and then just catch my breath. Everyone can see how I feel about you. Everyone can hear when you're near. I can never stay cool when you come around. It's so clear I'm the color of you. Everyone can see how I feel about you.
Definitely enjoyed making this Scarecrow / Q makeup look. Now I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna style it with so it could look nice and more of like a scarecrow-y kind of look. Okay guys, so I already have the outfit. That's with this, I paired it with this scarecrow look. So you guys, I'm gonna show you guys. So right here I have some black pants, just all black with a flannel and some boots. And then this is just my outfit. This is just the look, you know? So yeah, I already finished with my look. Comment down below guys what you guys thought of this makeup look. And yeah, just let me know. I just want to know. Yeah, I like it. Like, it's simple and it took forever, but I like it because it's so nice. I really did enjoy it. Just don't forget to comment, to like, share, and subscribe, and see you guys in our next video. Bye.